welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple home remedy that will help you lose weight completely. This simple home remedy is going to help you get back your nice shape and give you a nicer look. So if this is your first time stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new and helpful videos like this on this channel. And if you find this video interesting and useful, please share it with your friends and give us a huge thumbs up. Ginger contains anti-aging properties. It contains antioxidant properties. It helps to radiate the skin, and it also tones the skin. It reduces inflammation. It helps to stimulate the circulation of blood. Apple cider vinegar is rich in antiseptic, antibiotic, anti-inflammatory properties that is going to help. And it also contains weight loss properties too. It's going to help you maintain your weight, and it's going to help you get rid of all your cravings, and it's going to help you eat healthy and stay in good shape. Manganese and selenium, which protects the skin. It's going to help give you a healthy body, and it's going to help balance the pH level of your body. It's also going to help reduce the aging rate of your body. It's going to help fight germs and bacteria from your body. Honey is also rich in antibacterial properties. It's going to help absorb any kind of impurity from your skin pores. It's going to cleanse your body and give you a fresher and younger look. Water. We all know how important and useful water is to the body. We know how very nourishing and rejuvenating water is. So this is one of the ingredients we need for this. Wash our garlic and our ginger. Our ginger and garlic mixture. The ginger and garlic into a glass cup. If you have a glass cup, very good. You just use a glass cup, but if you have a mug, it's still very okay. Cider vinegar. Just need half teaspoon of the vinegar. Oh, that's too much. Just need half teaspoon of the honey. The honey is going to add taste to the ingredients. We'll mix that up. That's our ginger, garlic, apple cider vinegar, and honey. Add water to fill the mug. Then we mix very well. Drink is ready. So you take this last thing before you sleep daily. You continue this for 2 to 3 weeks and you're going to notice the changes and the difference in your body. You're going to notice that you've lost so much weight, and you notice also that your cravings have reduced greatly. You drink this before going to bed and you're going to get an excellent result before you know it. This is all there is to this video. If you found it helpful, useful, or interesting, please give us a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and loved ones, and please click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload useful and wonderful recipes like this on this channel. Till I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.